Puff, it's bedtime.
Mom, is the Easter Bunny coming?
Yes, sweetie, say your prayers.
Okay. Dear God, God bless Mommy, Daddy, Grandpa, and the little humans who refuse to share their candy with me no matter what I do. So, God bless the Easter Bunny and tell him to bring me jelly beans. Amen.
Good night, sweetie. Pleasant dreams.
Night, Mom. Love you.
I love you too.
Mom!
My goodness, what's the matter?
Tell the humans they can have my candy.
Well, that was fun. Okay, I'm going to show you how I did that. This is Movavi, and it's one of the video editors that I use, and I use this one for any sort of chroma key um, work. So what I have done is I've opened the program, and now I am uh, putting in a video clip that I liked. It's just a background. I get these backgrounds all over the place. I have subscriptions to different videos places. One is Video Blocks. I think I got this one off of Video Blocks, and it's a paid subscription. I think I pay yearly. Okay, now I'm importing a video that I made and getting out my True Green, which I think is 910, and it's Prismacolor. I'm now working at my desk and I'm filming myself coloring in the eyes and areas with the green. I am filming myself, obviously. And then I'm going to put these little video clips to the side. Now, you want to get smooth coverage. I'm doing the lips here. Now, I want you to take notice of where the shadow is. The shadow is a little bit dark, and I think I had some problems with this one, and it'll come up later. I'll show you. I had to adjust my lighting. You try to get as little shadow as you can, and my lighting was too overhead. I had to bring it down so that there wasn't such a heavy shadow. So this is the second one I did. This one came out really good. And I'm making sure I'm getting all the spots on the lips. The top button is where you import your video clips into this program. This program is very easy to use. I think it only took me a couple days, and they've got really great tutorials on how to do this. They didn't have this tutorial. That's why I'm kind of showing it. I kind of figured this one out on my own. So now once that I'm happy with it, I'm going to push the Chroma key and then touch my pencil. Once the Chroma key is on it, it turns black. Anywhere that was green turns black. And I'm going to move my video clip so that it's underneath my drawing clip. And now you can see the Chroma key is turned on. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to make it bigger so that it covers the entire page. So the only thing that you will see is the green. How Chroma key works is it blocks out the color green because the color green is like the best color to use because a lot of people don't wear the color green and it's the least used. So as you could see, this one came out really good and I'm actually coloring it. And there it is. Now I'm doing this to the second picture. And I believe this is the one with the shadow. Okay, enlarging it. The chroma key is already applied. Now you see that hazy, colorful under my hand? That was because the shadow reflected the green pencil and I wasn't careful enough. So you don't want that, unless you do. I mean, it's an effect you might want, but everywhere that the shadow was, I picked up a little bit of the chroma key. Now to combat this, and how I figured it out, was if I hold my pencil, and you'll see a better shot in a second of where to hold your pencil, you don't get that shadow. Okay, it should be coming up. Okay, you see how well, I'm just finishing it up. It'll be the next. Okay, now I turned it off. It's black because it's removed the color green. I'm just adding in some extra video. The clips are only like a few seconds long. That's why you had to add in a lot of them. There are free places on the web to get video clips, but they're not as good as the ones you can get when you pay for them. Okay, you see how far back I'm holding the pencil now? I'm not getting such a heavy shadow, so the chroma key wasn't bothered by it. When you use a green screen, you always have to be careful of your shadows because that can really ruin it. I mean, a little bit of shadow isn't bad, it works, but a lot of shadow. So if you hold your pencil, that's about 1.5 inches back maybe 2 inches. It was perfect. So I love this effect. That's what I used for the writing. And what's really great about this effect is you can write happy birthday if you're making a video or something to a friend. You can write something in it. You can really do a lot with the Prismacolor pencil. And just remember, it's true green. I tried it with other greens, and it sort of worked, but the best one and the closest one to the chroma key that is like universally used is the true green. Well, I hope you enjoyed the videos this week. Puff. I hope you enjoyed the videos, and we will see you next time. Happy Easter and a happy Passover.